Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mon's World. And I am Moni. Today I'm super excited to talk about this topic, that is Chat GPT. I think by now many of you would have known what is Chat GPT and many of you would use Chat GPT. But for those who don't know what is Chat GPT, do watch my video until the end. So in this video, I will be talking about what is Chat GPT, the features of Chat GPT, how to use Chat GPT for basic purposes, and how to get started with Chat GPT, and finally, will Chat GPT replace Google or not? So these are all things I will be discussing in this video, so don't skip, watch my video until the end. So let's get started. Now, what is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is nothing but it is an AI, artificial intelligence, launched on 30th of November 2022 by OpenAI, and it is a sophisticated language model based on GPT 3.5 architecture. It intends to generate human-like text messages or responses, and Chat GPT basically is trained to collect all the data from the internet, allowing it to give responses or answering queries or questions, and at the same time delivering information and engaging with some of the dialogues too. So this is basically Chat GPT. And now let's look at some of the major features of Chat GPT. Yes, the first and the foremost feature is answering questions. Users can ask questions on a wide range of topics, ranging from general knowledge inquiries to specialized questions about a specific issue. So as you can see on the screen, I just typed who is the first president of India, and I immediately got the answer as Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And not just answering questions, even it gives a clear-cut explanation. Chat GPT can teach complex topics, scientific principles, historical events, and more in short and in an intelligent manner too. And just like that, I typed quantum physics. It explained me with complete theory of quantum physics with principles and etc. And not just about explanation, it also assists with writing. So users can request assistance with writing activities such as brainstorming ideas, enhancing sentence structure, and discovering relevant vocabulary. So this way, with this help, we can actually use it for company purposes, sometimes in order to send mail or in order to file a complaint, etc. All these kind of stuffs. And Chat GPT can help us with creative endeavors such as brainstorming ideas, developing dialogue, and crafting distinctive descriptions. And it also helps us in language translation. ChatGPT can assist with translating from one language to another, allowing users to overcome language obstacles, etc. And even sometimes it gives variety of topics including books, movies, restaurants, travel, destination, and more, so on. And it also helps us in complex explanations like coding and all of that. So sometimes we might get the help of coding. So it provides a vast sources of resources, which is very much useful for many of us in these days. So this way, ChatGPT is one of the best ways to use. And there are many ways to make income out of ChatGPT, which I'll be posting in my upcoming videos. So yes, this is all about ChatGPT. Finally now, will ChatGPT replace Google? The answer is no. ChatGPT will not replace Google because ChatGPT is an OpenAI's chatbot. So definitely it is not designed as a search engine. So definitely it's not going to replace Google. Google is a search engine, but whereas ChatGPT is used for answering questions, interaction, acting as a personal assistant, etc. But Google is definitely used as a search engine. If you would like to find out the local bus departure or schedule timings, definitely you should use Google, not ChatGPT. So this way, definitely ChatGPT is not going to replace Google. So finally, I'm coming to the end of this video. And if you're watching my video till now, a big thanks to you, and I'm very grateful to that. And thank you so much for watching my video, and do like, share, subscribe my channel, and do comment your views regarding ChatGPT, whether it's a boon or a bane to the nation, to many of the workers, etc. And at the same time, I'm a budding entrepreneur, I'm a budding YouTuber starting my career in YouTube. So definitely I need your support, I need your wishes and all of that. So do stand with me, do like, do share, do comment on my videos. So thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Moni. See you all, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.